right, I just came up with what I think is an epic, revolutionary, just super idea. Let's go out to the guys in the shop and see what they think. All right, boys. I got an idea. You gotta stop for a minute. I got a really, I think it's pretty exciting idea. I know we do a lot of trailer stuff, and like more trailer stuff and more trailer stuff, and then there's more trailer stuff on top of trailer stuff. A lot of trailer stuff.
A lot of trailer stuff.
What if we did a race car? But not just a race car, but a race car that we put on top of the trailer.
And what are we going to do with the race car? Are we going to go run it?
Well, I mean, I think, you know, Isaac or you, somebody I'm sure here wants to run it. But if we put the race car on top of the trailer after we redid whatever the race car is, and we do a giveaway.
I was about to say pro mod.
Oh my gosh, this guy wants to build a pro mod. I'm just saying a race car on a trailer, and we put it out there. People buy merch, they get entered, they win a race car. Maybe they never even thought they could own a race car. And so for like 25 bucks, to get a race car.
I love the idea.
That's a good idea.
All right, well, I'm gonna look. Hopefully we can find something. It may take a little while, but with some luck, maybe we find it a couple weeks, a month or so. Let's find out.
We selling service shirts?
We can sell service shirts, but we might have to tell them you gotta work for that service shirt.
We're selling tree chopper shirts?
Tree chopper could be a thing. Yeah, it could be a thing.
All right, well then I guess we need to start looking for a car.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna do a Facebook Marketplace search so you know what's gonna be on there.
All right, I'll let Isaac know and have him start looking and see what we can come up with.
I'll look as well.
All right, sounds good. Let's do it. This is Mike Scott, Right Trailers.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, is your Vega still for sale, or did you already get rid of it?
It's for sale. I do have somebody coming Saturday.
Obviously I know of the car-ish, but any major issues on bodywork or anything else that's...
Yeah, body work is the main thing.
Gotcha.
There's a lot of body work.
What,
Yeah, I mean, mostly fiberglass. The rear quarter panels have some, like underneath the trunk has some rust, and then down by the tires has some rust.
Okay.
But the rest of the body's fiberglass, so I don't think it's a lot of body rust. As far as I know, I think fiberglass is easier than steel, but it's just old. I mean, it's just, you know what I mean? Like the body work and everything, it hasn't had anything done with it over probably 15, 20 years.
What, on the cash money coming to pick it up tomorrow side of things, what would you take for it as it sits?
I mean, supposedly he said he asked me, he said, have you had some calls? I said, yeah. He said, well, if you hold it for me till Saturday, I won't even bother you on the price. I'll give you the $8,000 for it.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're looking for a car to get, and actually going to do a giveaway. Like do a rehab on a car and then do a giveaway.
Yeah, I mean, I can let you know. If it falls through on Saturday.
All right, we're on to go pick it up tomorrow?
Yeah.
What was that?
I was talking to these guys. I think we're in. You available tomorrow for us to come pick it up?
Yeah, I just gotta. I mean, I kind of talked to that guy. I mean, I want to do it obviously because I know you and I'm closer to you. But I told the guy we'll hold it till Saturday.
I got you.
Okay.
But let me. Are you cool if I think about it for a few minutes? Let me think about it for a few minutes and I'll text you back. Is that cool?
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it, Chris.
And if anything, if something happens and you don't come, it's yours. If I don't decide to just let you come get it tomorrow.
All right, man. Sounds good. Just let me know in a few.
All right, I'll text you in a few.
All right, thanks. Bye.
All right, bye.
I mean, it sounds a little bit on the rough side, but I mean, it's fiberglass.
Yeah,
It's fiberglass.
Last time I checked, they sell that stuff in a bucket, right? You just
Yeah.
mix it up, throw some out on there,
Yeah.
smooth it out, 40 grit sandpaper it,
Yeah.
little self-etching primer. Sand the sticker man could probably wrap it and make it look like a gym. All right, well, we'll see. Maybe I'll call us back or send us a text. We'll find out.
Awesome.
All right, so we're gonna do a little guessing. So you guys guess my left hand, which would be my left arm, or my right arm, and then see what hand comes out, and that'll tell the tale. What we got? So you're gonna guess left arm, right arm.
Right.
I'm going with right as well.
Right. Yeah.
All right.
Right arm. Yeah.
All right, so the right arm comes out. We got nothing.
Nothing.
Oh.
We got nothing.
No.
Okay.
All right, but the left arm, we got $8,000.
Oh, Vega.
So we're getting to Vega.
Getting to Vega.
Snap.
There we go. A little
Nice
gangster
little
car.
lightweight little gangster Vega.
Yeah. So LS and turbo, maybe
LS,
small block of
maybe
nitrous.
small block of nitrous.
All right. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
Whatever it is, we're gonna build it in the shop.
We're gonna
All right.
do it.
So later today, we're gonna go get in an open trailer, let's go. We got 8 grand cash.
Awesome.
I
Let's
think I
do
got
it.
50 bucks left for lunch after this, too.
All right. All right.
That's it. All right.
Let's hook up and go get it.
Let's go get it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Exotic.
Are we gonna put a working horn in it?
We should. I think it should be an Ugo horn now.
Yeah.
Definitely Ugo horn or some kind of obnoxious horn. Chevy, not Ford.
Yeah.
Chris Rowe would be disappointed though.
Chris Rowe would be disappointed.
He still wants the Chevy to say Ford. And 530 car to a T.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just take that clear coat stuff, throw on top of that.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
Yeah.
That's what the paint is. A little pressure washing.
Yeah.
A little Don Power Wash. We need a sponsorship from Don Power Wash. Don, if you're listening, we need a product. Product deal. We don't care about the money. Just give us about 85,000 bottles of Power Wash.
Yeah. A little bit of body work.
Yeah. I'm sure I want small because there's almost not enough room for the big tire.
Yeah.
Small tire is perfect. Just some WD-40. That's all I need to see.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
we got Don Power Wash from WD-40 and a
Yep.
car wash. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
Perfect.
And a Tesla, so we can borrow the power plant.
Yeah.
Oh, we definitely have to have the fan. The fan is. Yeah.
I haven't seen one of
Oh,
those.
it's a
in
directional
forever.
fan.
I
too.
know,
Look at
right?
that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Project for that thing.
Yeah, we get it.
Yep. We'll get the fiberglass work done.
All right, let's get it on this maxi
Awesome.
trailer.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Having fun.
We are doing it.
Hey, Ian, you're doing a good job. You got to steer it, Isaac. Woo!
I think the U-joint might be a little out of line.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Look at what we found too. We already got free parts. This was like something that our flammables compartment knew that we needed at some point.
Oh.
This thing's at least 22 years old. But we found it,
So is the car.
and then
Or actually, had a couple
our
times.
first product sponsor. It's a free coil.
I'm not fitting in that.
Oh my god. He's already given up.
He already gave up.
My knees will be in my chin.
You know, he tried to get in it, and he was about 3/4 of the way in, and he said, I can't do it.
The funny part is, that's what would happen. I'd get stuck 3/4 of the way in.
This is good. This is real good. Yeah.
Oh, the way it's been, we need to install windshield wipers.
Yeah. Got working AC. Obviously, your switch panel, ignition, fuel, fan, lights. Oh, we're good. We are golden. This could be a street car. Damn near.
Oh, feel that torque already? Look at
Oh,
that.
look at that. Ba, 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 ba. We got to get a name for this car. I don't know. It's got a judge sticker right here. Judge. Judge.
We're gonna do slippery when wet. It's a banana.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll come up with a good name.
Sunrise Bandit.
Sunburn. Sunburn. Honey Badger. Yellow Jacket. Street Sting. Golden Reaper. The Outlaw. Bare Knuckle. Grudge Taxi.
Grudge Taxi. I kind of like that.
Alright.
I kind of like that.
Alright. Yeah, Grudge Taxi.
Grudge Taxi.
And what
Dominion banana split mustard missile.
Mustard missile.
Cheddar chaser, yellow belly, school bus, big bird. I think Grudge Taxi.
That's I think right here. Grudge
Yep.
Taxi.
Yeah.
Grudge
I like
taxi or mustard missile. All right, let's see if she's got junk in the trunk.
The good news is no junk,
No jump.
but a lot of water.
A lot of water.
We got light wires,
Yeah.
brake lights, tail lights, turn signals.
Yeah.
It's almost a street car.
It's a Grudge Taxi. It's got to have functioning lights.
I think Grudge Taxi's gonna stick.
Yeah, I think it is.
Grudge Taxi.
Can I do it one more time? And then go in circles. You ever seen Karate Kid?
Wax on, wax off.
Then I got it waxed
you
off. So you got to go the other direction. Well, it's a different type of rag. Not the same rag, it's a different rag. You can't use the same rag to apply wax and to take wax. Now you're not going in circles. The circles. I'm buffing it. The circles. I'm buffing the circles.
It was second nature.
I'm pretty sure I didn't see Karate Kid like this. Like it was. Go on.
Well, it depends on which Karate Kid you were watching.
Little shining.
The old Grudge Taxi.
I would say a little spit shining, but that doesn't feel appropriate.
Not after that.
Not after
No
that.
more spit shine. We have our guest expert on the show today.
Yes. AKA pain in the ass, but a good guy. You know, Uncle Ron. That's what we call him.
Uncle Ron.
Uncle Ron. Uncle Ron.
Uncle Ron, aka Mr. Interruption. All right, well, I guess we'll see what the weather's gonna do and
Yeah.
dry this off for the like 5th time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And get to work on the Grudge Taxi.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, let's do it.